Hey there, welcome back. This is Chand from studyeasy.org, and in this particular video we will try to understand how we can delete a record using HQL. Now friends, this particular video is based on our last lecture. So here is the code from our last lecture, and we would be updating this particular class so that we can delete a specific record. Now let me also show you Workbench real quick. In here we have couple of records and there are in total 4 users, right? So we will try to delete the last user where the user ID is 5, first name is Steve and last name is Smith. Alright, so this would be our target. Alright, so let me minimize this. Alright, so in here the process of deleting a specific record is very simple. And for doing so, we will simply update this particular part where we are making use of this create query method. So first of all, we will add in the delete query. So we will simply type in delete from users, and then we need to also give in the where clause. So let me also update the where clause in here. So I will type in where user underscore ID equals maybe 5. All right, so we will delete the last record from the database where the first name is Steve. All right, so this would be our target. Then we would be again calling the execute update method because deletion is also a update in our database table. Alright, and then finally we will commit the operation, which is again important. Alright, so let me right click and execute this particular program, and I suppose it should delete the specific record, but there is some kind of issue. Let me check what's going wrong. I guess I have made some kind of issue in here. Let me maximize this and let us get rid of this plus symbol in here, and let us make this a single query, and let us also get rid of these single quotes. I suppose these single quotes are making the issue, and this is the reason why we are not able to execute the query. Alright, so this looks cool to me now, and let me retry whether this works properly or not. In fact, even I don't know whether this will work or not, but it worked. So it seems that the single quotes were making us the issue. Now friends, the reason why single quotes were making the issue, I think because 5 is a int entity, numeric entity where single quotes are not needed. Alright, so now let us quickly check whether the update has been done in the workbench or not. So I have closed workbench somehow. Let me reopen this. Alright, let me execute select star query. Here we go. So in here we don't have the user with user ID 5, which means we have successfully deleted the user with the user ID 5. So this is very cool and very easy to implement thing, and this was a quick overview how we can delete a user using HQL. So these were the basics of HQL, and if you would like to know more about HQL, simply Google for HQL, and there are plenty of free resources on this language. Alright, so this is all about today's lecture. I suppose I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.